how to use multiple coupons on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use multiple coupon codes in your Temu account. So first of all you have to do is just open your Temu account, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you have two options to use coupon codes in your Temu account. First, just select the product that you would want to buy from your Temu account into your cart, and once you put the product into your cart, just go to checkout section from the right hand side. And after that, on this page you will be able to see the option called enter pin code on the right hand side window. Right here, just enter the coupon code that you have available with you and click on apply. As you can see that there is only one option for you to apply your coupon code. There is not multiple option for you to enter your coupon code. So that means you can only add one coupon code at a time. You cannot add multiple coupon code in your Temu account while purchasing or making any purchase from your Temu account. And the another way to use your coupon code into the Temu account is to go to your profile section, and from there just locate the coupons and offer section from the drop down menu and just open that. And here just enter the coupon code that you have available with you and click on apply, and the amount of the coupon code that you will add in your Temu account will be added as a payment method in your Temu account, and the amount will be deducted for the purchase that you will make in the future. So these are the two ways through which you will be able to add coupon code. As of now, there is no option to add multiple coupon codes in your Temu account as per the Temu policy. So yeah, I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding adding multiple coupons code into your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.